A very good morning, my dear kids. Welcome back to our French class. In this class, you all are going to learn some phrases in French. Kindly listen carefully and repeat along with me. Ça va. Comment ça va is how are you. Just ça va means are you fine. So it can be an answer to I'm fine, or it can be a question also, are you fine? So the way you ask ça va makes the difference. So when you ask ça va, so to reply ça va, so I'm fine. So are you fine? So both the question and answer we can, with the way we say ça va, can give the answer. So ça va, are you fine? So to answer, oui, oui, ça va. So yes, I'm fine. The third one, bonsoir, bonsoir tout le monde. So bonsoir is good evening. So tout le monde is everyone. Good evening, everyone. Bonsoir tout le monde. Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning, everyone. Or good evening, everyone. Bonjour tout le monde. The next one, bonne nuit, bonne nuit, bonne nuit papa, bonne nuit maman. So it is good night papa and good night mama. The next one, excusez-moi, excusez-moi, excuse me, excusez-moi. De rien, de rien. You're welcome. So when someone says merci or thank you, you can say de rien, de rien. You're welcome. Enchanté. Pleasure meeting you. So when you're leaving, you can say this. Enchanté. Pleasure meeting you. À dimanche. À dimanche. See you tomorrow. À dimanche. Ciao. Ciao is an informal or a friendly way of saying goodbye. So we usually, for a formal way, we say au revoir. Au revoir. So au revoir is goodbye in a formal way. So ciao is a informal way. To your friends, you can say as ciao, goodbye. So dear ones, that's it for today's class. Kindly listen to this video 2 to 3 times and start talking in French. Merci.